Hey guys, what's up? It's Appleway. I'm Luke, and today I'm going to be doing a MacBook battery unboxing. Recently my MacBook's battery has only been holding like an hour's charge, so I ordered this new one from Amazon.com, and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. As you can probably tell, my MacBook is not currently here, but anyway, let's get started. The MacBook is actually in my living room right now. Okay, it slides out like that. Okay. Okay, it's very nicely packaged in here. They take great pride in their batteries, apparently. Here's the battery, all nicely packaged. And here it is. It's like any other Apple battery. So that's been an MacBook Apple battery unboxing. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.